Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull for options trading. First, you will need to open and fund your Webull brokerage account. Webull does not require a minimum deposit to open an account. Once your account is active, navigate to the More section and apply for options trading privileges. This process typically involves answering a few questions about your trading experience and financial situation. Make sure you have sufficient capital for options contracts, as each contract represents 100 shares of the underlying asset. Next, let's cover the fundamentals of options contracts. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock, while a put option gives you the right to sell it, both at a specific price, called the strike price, before a certain expiration date. You can either buy options, hoping their value increases, or sell options, aiming to collect premium. Understanding these core concepts is crucial for successful options trading. Now, let's walk through placing an actual trade. On Webull, search for your desired stock and then tap on the Options tab. Here, you will see the options chain, where you can select your preferred expiration date and strike price. Choose whether you want to buy or sell, and then specify your order type, such as a market or limit order, and the number of contracts. Always review all details carefully before confirming your trade. Finally, effective management is key to options trading. Regularly monitor your open positions to track their performance and understand your potential profit or loss. You can close a position at any time before expiration to lock in gains or cut losses. Always employ sound risk management strategies, such as setting stop-loss orders or diversifying your portfolio, to protect your capital and enhance your long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.